Air compressors are similar in many ways to small engines. Both have a piston, piston rings, a cylinder, and valves. Just as a clean air filter is important to protect your lawnmower's engine, you must also maintain your air compressor's air filter to ensure a long pump life. The air filter removes dust, paint, or whatever else might be floating in the air before it can enter the cylinder and cause damage. Replacing your air compressor's filter element is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Soja.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the air filter cover. With the cover removed, I can remove the air filter. Now I'll install the new air filter. I place it into the housing and secure it into place with the cover. And that's how easy it is to replace the air filter on your air compressor. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.